Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today's video we are going to clean the rubber floor mats in my Dodge Ram. The other day I went to a job site, got a little muddy, so we are going to clean these up really quick. Alright, now these floor mats are only about 2 months old, so this is more of like a maintenance clean. Obviously the longer you wait to clean your mats, the worse they're going to be and the more cleaning you're actually going to have to do. So I'm going to pull these mats now and we'll get into cleaning them. Okay, now a few supplies you're going to need. You're going to need some type of cleaner. This is Meguiar Super Degreaser, diluted 4:1 in a foamer. Use your choice of cleaner, it doesn't really matter. My brush I'm going to use is the same brush that I use for cleaning the tires. This brush is, the bristles are pretty stiff, so they'll help get into, all the grooves, especially like up in here. We're right at the bottom of these ridges on all these mats. That's where dirt likes to hang out, and obviously right here where the Husky symbol is. All right, and then the first step obviously is to take a garden hose and rinse these off. If you have a pressure washer, obviously that makes it a little bit easier, but you don't need one. I'll show you how to do it with a garden hose. All right, now with those pre-rinsed, just dump all that water out. Now, like I said, the mats are only about 2 years old, so just right there, they kind of look nice and clean already. But they're wet. Once they dry, they will still be a little dirty. So we're going to take it one step further. Use the Super Degreaser to clean these pretty good. All right, now with that rinsed off, I'm going to use the foamer with Super Degreaser, do the 4:1. Spray that on here. And then you're just going to go with the tire brush and clean in all these grooves. Alright, now with that thoroughly cleaned, we'll go ahead and we'll rinse it. Alright, now that the mat is dried off, depending on how old and dirty your mat is, you may have to do that a second time. Like I said, these are only 2 months old, so I know just one little cleaning is good enough. Now this next step is going to be a little controversial. People are telling me no, but I'm telling you, it works. Meguiar's Hyper-Dressing, diluted 4:1 on a wet mat, just like you see it. 1 or 2 sprays is all you need. Don't go crazy like I did in my engine bay cleaning video. Just start in here. 1, 2, maybe a third. All right, and then use the tire brush that we used to clean it. I rinsed it off, so it's clean now. And then you just scrub that in there a little bit. All right, that'll get it into all the grooves, which is where dirt likes to just hang out. And then it'll clean that up and give everything a nice black, deep black. So that's that. Now there's a little bit of hyper-dressing on there. You see that it's just bubbled up a little bit. So then you can just let this either air dry, or you can use a microfiber cloth and dry this off. Your preference. Because I have to leave very soon, I am going to get a microfiber and I am going to dry the mat off. Alright guys, now those are the floor mats installed. They are nice and clean, nice little shine to them being that they're black. Now the hyper-dressing does not make the surface any slicker than what they were from the factory. It was 4:1, so mostly water, a little bit of hyper-dressing, and only 2 sprays. And then there was already water on the surface. So very little actual dressing went on this, and it's a water-based dressing. It's not silicone. If it was silicone-based, yes, this would be slippery. So do not use any silicone-based tire dressing. Hyper dressing is good for all interior plastics. It's good for a lot of multiple things. Floor mats being one of them. Just don't go crazy on it. Alright, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you like this upload, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.